Everybody knows it. Maybe somebody knows that Etruscans had Menera, who is the sister of Minerva. Now, you should know that Venetian goddess Rhaetia is sister of these three gods. This is Venetian or Proto-Slavic Minerva. And here you have, I came to you to present Russian Athenaeum. I am the researcher of Rhaetia. I come here and tomorrow you are greeting me with t-shirts with Rhaetia. And I came here and see this image. So, I should say that in the mystical point of view, we managed to come to glorify and to meet her here. So I would like to thank you very much for this presentation and to tell you that the day after tomorrow I go to Russia to collect some archaeological facts because I'm continuing my study. So thank you very much. I am touched. So this is great. Great event.